Welcome back to the Bald Eagle 242 YouTube channel. I want to thank a few people who have supported this channel and sent me some stickers for my sticker board over here. I also want to let you know that I have created an Instagram account for the Bald Eagle 242 channel where I'll share some behind the scene things and some pictures of projects I didn't do video on in the past. Check out the Bald Eagle 242 Instagram account, and there's a lot of stuff there you may be interested in. This first shout out's going to be for somebody that's been a part of the YouTube community for quite some time. He started his YouTube channel almost 10 years ago in May of 2013. He often hosts his own live chat and participates in a lot of other discussions. He's also known to bust a move on camera every once in a while. His most recent video series has been on a Craftsman snowblower. If you enjoy this kind of content and want to support a great guy out of Kansas City, stop by David's channel and check out DNR Small Engine Repair. The second shout out's going to go out to somebody who started their YouTube channel in August of 2020. His channel truly is for the everyday person that just wants to learn how to fix their own equipment. He tries to chronicle his daily doings in a way that helps other people. He's trained and certified in personal watercraft repairs and has 21 videos recorded and posted on YouTube as I record this. His most popular video is rebuilding a carburetor on a Honda GCV 160. And he also made the same mistake I did and recorded his first video in vertical format. If you want to follow somebody who truly is just a regular everyday American, check out the David Kernut YouTube channel and his just created Instagram account. This next shout out goes out to a military veteran who just started his YouTube channel about 100 days ago. He's recently acquired 3 old Sears garden tractors that he's doing a series on. And he just completed a series on a nice Aaron zero turn that you might want to check out. He's fully committed to sharing his knowledge with us and getting his channel off the ground. If you like to see the older stuff kept out of the scrap yards and landfills, check out Alex on the Freedom Mowers YouTube channel and on his Instagram account. The next person comes to us from just south of Salt Lake City, Utah. He's been on YouTube since November of 2020. He has close to 100 videos uploaded on YouTube and goes into great detail with a play-by-play video style that you'll find really easy to follow. He also has some great videos if you're considering getting into a small engine style repair business. Kind of gives you some background and some information on how to get started with that. If that sounds like you, check out Kyle on KB's Small Engine Repair. This next person has a secret that took some pretty intense interrogation work on my part to get him to confess to this. He's somebody that has blue blood running in his veins and constantly reminds us what time it is. One thing I can't understand is why you're not already subscribed to his channel. He has over 160 videos currently posted and does a few live chats weekly. He's somebody that welcomes just about anybody on there. You can comment in the comment section of these live chats, and you can even get up on screen a lot of times if he's got an opening on there. He really is somebody that goes out of his way to encourage and support other people in adventures and YouTube and just daily life. And I know this will come as a shock to you, but he confessed to me in private that he only eats about 6 donuts a year, even though he's constantly telling us it's donut time. If you enjoy a little entertainment in your life and want to check out a great guy that'll show you how to do things, check out Dave on the Lawnmower Detective channel. I think you'll really like him. If you're interested in swapping stickers, check out my About page for my contact information. Hit that subscriber button down below so you'll see when your stickers come up. Also, guys, I sincerely appreciate you watching. I appreciate the support. Until next time.